Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharmila Mary Pinado, a student of CK Thakur College, studying in MSc Part 1 Chemistry. My roll number is 17 and my exam ID is 004445. Today I am going to present on the topic characteristic vibrational frequencies for alkenes, alkenes, alkynes, aromatics, alcohols, ethers, amines, nitriles, and nitro compounds. We will go look into the following topics, that is what are IR frequencies, vibrational frequencies of alkanes, alkynes, aromatics, alkenes, alcohols, amines, ethers, nitriles, and nitro. The IR spectroscopy of alkenes. Simple alkenes are characterized by absorption of carbon-hydrogen stretching and bending frequencies. The carbon-carbon stretching and bending frequencies are too weak and therefore they are not considered in IR spectroscopy. The carbon-hydrogen stretching frequency ranges from 3000 to 2850 centimeter inverse. The carbon hydrogen bending or scissoring ranges from 1470 to 1450 centimeter inverse, and carbon hydrogen rocking frequency ranges from 1370 to 45 centimeter inverse. For example, we can consider the example of octane. Here the strong bands are in between 3000 to 2850 centimeter inverse. That is the carbon hydrogen stretching frequency. We can see this here. This is the strongest band. An IR spectroscopy of alkenes. In the presence of carbon-hydrogen bonds, alkenes also have carbon-carbon double bond stretching and vibration frequencies, and also uh, the carbon-hydrogen stretching frequency of the carbon which is attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. We can see the frequencies of carbon hydrogen bonds stretching frequencies between 3000 to and 10 to 3100 centimeter inverse. The intensity is medium, and of carbon hydrogen bending frequency from 360 675 to 1000, and the intensity is strong. And for carbon carbon stretching double bond stretching frequencies from 1620 to 1680, and the intensity is variable. It may be either strong, medium, or low. IR spectroscopy of alkynes. Alkynes are the compounds that have carbon-carbon triple bond. Um, the carbon-carbon triple bond stretches as a weak band between 2260 to 2100 centimeter inverse. The terminal alkyne will show a carbon hydrogen stretching frequency between 3330 to 3270 centimeter inverse, and a terminal alkyne will show carbon hydrogen bending vibrations in the region of 700 to 610 centimeter inverse. We can see the carbon hydrogen stretching frequencies of an alkyne is 3300 centimeter inverse, and carbon carbon triple bond stretching frequency is between 2100 to 2260 centimeter inverse. For example, we can see the spectrum of one hexane, a terminal alkyne. Here, note that the carbon hydrogen stretching frequency is shown in 2971 centimeter inverse, and carbon triple one carbon frequency is shown in 3 to 4 centimeter inverse. This is the strongest band. The IR spectroscopy of aromatics. Aromatic compounds have two characteristic stretches of infrared spectroscopy: 3000 to 3100 centimeter inverse for carbon hydrogen bonds, and 1450 to 1550 centimeter inverse for carbon carbon double bonds. The IR spectrum of benzene. Benzene shows a carbon hydrogen stretching frequencies where carbon is an sp2 hybridized carbon. The hydrogen attached to sp2 carbon shows an absorbance between 3000 to 3100 centimeter inverse, and the double bonds of benzene have a stretching and vibrational frequencies of 1450 to 1650 centimeter inverse. This is similar to the table shown in the previous slide. In the IR spectroscopy of alcohols, alcohols have characteristic IR absorptions associated with both OH and C carbon oxygen stretching vibrations. The oxygen hydrogen stretching frequency is from 3200 to 3600 centimeter inverse, and the intensity is strong and broad. Then the oxygen hydrogen stretching frequency is between 3500 to 3700. This is a strong and sharp intensity, and carbon hydrogen stretching frequency is between 1050 to 1150, and the intensity is strong. Usually alcohol shows a broad spectrum, and this therefore it is easily identified. Let us consider the example of ethanol. The spectrum of ethanol is shown in this diagram. Here we can see a very broad spectrum of OH stretching, and therefore it can be easily identified as an alcohol. The IR spectroscopy of ether. Ether shows a carbon oxygen stretching frequency of 1000 to 1300 centimeter inverse, and the intensity is very strong. It shows a strong band in between 1150 to 1000 centimeter inverse due to asymmetric carbon-oxygen carbon stretching. The IR spectroscopy of amines. In amines, the nitrogen-hydrogen stretching frequency ranges from 3400 to 3250 centimeter inverse. In primary amines, it shows two bands, one between 3400 to 3300 centimeter inverse, and the other between 3330 centimeter to 3250 centimeter inverse. In secondary amine, one band from 3350 to 3310 centimeter inverse is found, and in tertiary we find no bands in this region. There is a nitrogen hydrogen bending frequency of primary amines ranges from 1650 to 1580 centimeter inverse. The stretching frequency between carbon nitrogen in aromatic amines ranges from 1335 to 1250 centimeter inverse, and the carbon nitrogen stretching frequency of aliphatic amines ranges from 1250 to 1020 centimeter inverse. The nitrogen hydrogen wagging, that is the for primary and secondary amines, ranges from 910 to 665 centimeter inverse. Generally, the nitrogen hydrogen stretching frequencies ranges from 3300 to 3500 centimeter inverse, and the intensity is medium. For carbon nitrogen stretching frequencies between 1080 to 1360 centimeter inverse, and the intensity is medium. And for nitrogen hydrogen bending frequency, the ranges in between 1600 centimeter inverse, and it is also a medium intensity. The NA stretching frequency of amines ranges from 3300 to 3000 centimeter inverse. These bands are weaker but sharper. In primary amines, there are two bands in this region. They are asymmetric NH stretching and symmetric NH stretching. The asymmetric NH stretching has a higher wave number, while the symmetric NH stretching have lower wave number. In secondary amines, it shows a weak single weak band in between 3300 to 3000 centimeter inverse, whereas tertiary amines do not have any band as they do not have any NH bond. We can see the example of the IR spectrum of aniline. Here we can see that NH stretching has two peaks. One is at 3342 and other is at 3360, and we have also shoulder band. This is due to the overtone of NH bending. The IR spectroscopy of nitriles. Nitriles have a carbon triple bond nitrogen stretching band. The majority nitriles fall in the range of frequencies between 2300 to 2200 centimeter inverse. The okay, the intensity is medium. The IR spectroscopy of nitro compound. If nitro group is attached to an aromatic ring, then nitrogen oxygen stretching band shifts down slightly in lower wave numbers. For nitrogen oxygen asymmetric stretching from 1550 to 1475 centimeter inverse, and for symmetric stretching it ranges from 1360 to 1290 centimeter inverse. It usually shows two bands and they are strong. These are the references. My sincere gratitude to our principal, Dr. V.D. Varate sir, our vice principal and head of the department, Dr. S.K. Patil sir, our professors, Paula sir, Shine ma'am, HDS ma'am, and D.K. Patil sir, and also to all the other professors who have helped me enormously to know chemistry better. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.